Hello, this is a short guide to building a number of different scenarios for one client without having to start from scratch each time, so building on what you've already done. We are going to create a new scenario for Martin Cooper. As you'll see from his screen, we've already built a number of scenarios for him, but we want to have a play around and change a few things and see what that means for Martin, so we're going to add in a new one. There are two ways we can do this. We can either clone from one of the existing ones by clicking down here, picking the one that we want to clone and then clicking that, or we can press add new scenario, and this takes us through to a screen where we can either create a blank scenario or build from an existing one here. We're going to build from the original scenario, and let's give this a name, call that review, and then press continue, and this starts to create a new scenario called review, but it's using the data that's already in the original scenario. So we've got that in there, and we can now start to play with some of the information. So let's edit the current savings and investments and increase that to £230,000 for Martin, and let's give him an inheritance of £40,000. Okay, that's happening now. Add that in, and you'll see that if we go down here, we've got an inheritance has been added into the money coming in table, and we also have, if we go into the financial position onto the next step, the forecast for Martin will have changed as well, and as you'll see, the savings at the start have changed too. When you press print report, the report you receive will have been changed to reflect these updates that you've done, and you can add an individual statement to this scenario if you'd like to. And when we go back to Martin's client screen, you'll see that he's got 9 scenarios in there for Martin, and added in there we've got review too. So there you are, building different scenarios for your clients.